An unusual protest involving those who safeguard the law. Lawyers and advocates gathered at the Mthatha High Court. They're calling on the Department of Justice to hastily address their grievances. Among them, alleged non-payment of more than 20 million rand by the State Attorney's Office. They also claim that the senior state attorney practices favouritism and racial segregation.
When this work is taken away from us, it's given to white lawyers. And predominantly in this division, it's black practitioners. That's why there's that issue of racial undertone. We're excluded as black practitioners, whereas there's a question of transformation that we've been talking about all along. In every platform where lawyers meet, the ministers, from Minister Bridget Mabandla, Penuel Maduna, Jeff Khadebe, even the current minister is aware about the plight of black practitioners. Whenever they come, they make good speeches, they make a promise. But in reality, this is what is happening. All the state work has been taken away from practitioners in Mthatha.
Big corporates are also blamed for sidelining women and black lawyers.
Generally, this is the trend all over. You'll find out that corporate does not brief black practitioners. It does not brief black females in particular and women in general. This is a serious setback in our transformation agenda. So it is high time that the authorities act with speed in terms of ensuring that transformation is accelerated and we don't have incidents like this one that are reported here of racism, nepotism, and all sorts of such things that we have heard about out of the attorneys in this area.
The payment is supposed to be done within 30 days. As I am standing here, I last saw payment December 2018. I never received any payment since January till this date. It's so frustrating. It's killing inside. As females, we are few in this legal profession, but we are not recognized. We are feeling that there is no recognition of us as females. We are not getting briefs. Even when we are getting briefs, we are getting briefs that are not as the man gets them.
Protesting lawyers have met with the Department of Justice and Constitutional Development.
I've listened very carefully to the demands set out in this memorandum. I'm fully conscious of the timelines that have been set out herein. I received this on behalf of the Minister, the Deputy Minister and myself. I will certainly be going back to them to discuss this list of demands, and we will revert to you in accordance with the timelines that have been set out in this document. But before you disperse, I was hoping that I would have an opportunity to meet with your representatives, if you will indulge me, so that there are some preliminary things I'm able to say to you.
The Justice Department has until the 14th of June to respond. Mthatha, SABC News, Mthatha.